Good day, I am Princess Tessa Irahansha IBS and 2B nursing student. I will be performing the fetal heart monitoring using the stethoscope. And first is, I'll identify the patient. Good day, ma'am. What is your name?
Asha and Babios.
Princess Tessa Irahansha, I'll be your nursing student for today. I'll be checking the rate and rhythm with the presence of acceleration and deceleration of the fetal heart.
Rain, I want you down on your knees, praying to God that I feel the same. I'm right here, baby, so please hold me up tight.